Step into the 2005 Toyota 4Runner. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include driver vanity mirror, ABS, bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, adjustable steering wheel, power outlet, rear bench seat, power mirror, and cassette. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.